What's the difference between crypto trading and crypto investing? In the age of digitization, the financial landscape has witnessed a revolutionary evolution, giving birth to the intriguing worlds of cryptocurrency trading and investing. For the uninitiated, these terms might seem like two sides of the same coin, but in reality, they're as distinct as night and day. Imagine crypto as a virtual treasure chest, waiting to be unlocked through two unique paths, trading and investing. So, whether you're a budding blockchain enthusiast or just curious about this new realm, buckle up as we embark on a journey to decipher the difference between crypto trading and crypto investing. Crypto trading, the thrill of the digital bazaar. Picture yourself as a swift-witted market maestro, constantly riding the waves of price fluctuations and seizing opportunities at lightning speed. That's the essence of crypto trading. In this fast-paced domain, traders aim to profit from short-term price movements. It's like catching a roller coaster ride at its peaks and troughs, hoping to buy low and sell high, all within a span of minutes, hours, or a few days. Tools of the trade. Crypto traders wield an arsenal of tools to make their mark. Exchanges, these digital marketplaces act as the playground for traders, offering a plethora of cryptocurrencies for trading. Charts and indicators, think of these as your treasure map and compass, helping you predict price trends using past patterns and technical analysis. Day trading, the ultimate adrenaline rush, where traders open and close positions within the same day to capitalize on market fluctuations. The thrills and spills. Crypto trading is like a roller coaster, exhilarating, but not for the faint of heart. The highs can be euphoric, but the lows can also be bone-chilling. Imagine the excitement of a last-minute victory on a price surge, or the nail-biting tension when a trade goes south. It's a game of strategy, nerves of steel, and a dash of luck. Crypto investing, navigating the digital odyssey. If crypto trading is a roller coaster, then crypto investing is a journey on a majestic galleon, charting new waters with a long-term vision. Investors, also known as HODLers, acquire cryptocurrencies with the belief that their value will appreciate over time. Unlike trading, investing focuses on the bigger picture, the revolutionary potential of blockchain technology and its impact on the world. Key aspects of crypto investing include long-term holding. Investors patiently wait for the value of their chosen crypto to grow over months, years, or even decades. Fundamental analysis. Instead of charts, investors focus on understanding the technology, team, and real-world use cases behind a cryptocurrency. Riding the waves. While investors aim for the long term, they may adjust their holdings based on major market shifts. Crypto investing. Navigating the tides of innovation. Investing in cryptocurrencies is like planting a seed and watching it grow into a magnificent tree. It's a testament to patience and conviction. Let's delve into some key aspects of crypto investing. Research and due diligence. Before investing, investors conduct thorough research. They delve into white papers, understand the technology, assess the project's potential impact, and evaluate the team's credibility. Diversification. Just as explorers wouldn't sail with a single ship, investors spread their investments across different cryptocurrencies to reduce risk. Long-term vision. Crypto investors often hold onto their assets for the long haul, believing in the potential transformation that blockchain technology can bring to various industries. The crypto ecosystem, where trading and investing converge. Imagine a bustling marketplace, alive with traders shouting prices and investors discussing the future. While trading and investing have their own paths, they're not mutually exclusive, they often intersect in the world of cryptocurrency. Trend analysis. Both traders and investors use trend analysis to make informed decisions. Traders use technical analysis to predict short-term price movements, while investors use it to time their long-term entries. Initial coin offerings, ECOs, and token sales. In the past, ECOs were the rage, offering both trading and investing opportunities. Traders would capitalize on short-term price fluctuations after an ECO, while investors would participate with a long-term perspective. Risks and rewards. Navigating the uncharted waters. With great potential comes great risk. Both trading and investing in cryptocurrencies carry their own set of challenges. Volatility. The crypto market is notorious for its wild price swings, which can lead to both hefty profits and devastating losses. Regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is still evolving, creating uncertainty that can impact both trading and investing strategies. Security concerns. With the digital nature of cryptocurrencies, security breaches and hacking incidents can pose significant risks to both traders and investors. Conclusion. Setting sail into the crypto cosmos. In the grand symphony of the digital age, crypto trading and investing compose two distinct yet harmonious movements. Trading provides the exhilaration of a high-speed chase, where fortunes can change in the blink of an eye. Investing, on the other hand, is a slow and steady symphony, a journey of faith and patience that believes in the power of innovation to reshape our world. So, whether you're drawn to the frenetic rhythms of trading or the contemplative melodies of investing, the crypto cosmos awaits your exploration. It's a universe that marries cutting-edge technology with financial innovation, offering opportunities and challenges that are uniquely its own. Just remember, whether you're a trader riding the waves or an investor navigating the currents, the crypto sphere is a dynamic canvas that rewards those who dare to understand its intricacies and embrace its potential. For more information on Bitcoin and all things cryptocurrency, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing! Click the link for more information.